Meaning of div.
div,
Divi.
divvy,
div. Div is an abbreviation for division. It can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In mathematics, div refers to the operation of division, where a number is being divided by another number to get a quotient and a remainder. In business or organizational contexts, div could also refer to a department or branch within a larger entity. For example, a company may have a sales division and a marketing division. Overall, div is short for division and can have various meanings depending on its usage.